Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to crop an image in Photoshop, whether you're a complete beginner or just need a quick refresher. Cropping is one of the most basic but most useful tools in Photoshop, so let's jump right in. First things first, open up Photoshop and load the image you want to work with. You can do this by going to File, then Open, and selecting your image from your computer. Once your image is loaded onto the canvas, we're ready to start cropping. Now look over at your toolbar on the left side of the screen. You'll see the crop tool, which looks like two overlapping right angles or corners. You can click on it directly or just press the letter C on your keyboard as a shortcut. Once you select the crop tool, you'll notice a grid appears over your image, along with handles on the corners and edges. To crop your image, simply click and drag any of these handles inward to select the area you want to keep. Everything outside the crop box will appear darker or shaded, showing you what's going to be removed. If you want to reposition the crop area, just click inside the box and drag it around until you're happy with the framing. Now here's something really useful. Up at the top of your screen, in the options bar, you'll find a drop-down menu where you can choose a specific aspect ratio, like square for Instagram, 16:9 for YouTube thumbnails, or 4:5 for portrait shots. This makes it super easy to crop your image to the exact size you need for whatever platform you're posting to. If your image is a little crooked or tilted, Photoshop has you covered too. While the crop tool is active, just hover just outside one of the corners until you see a curved arrow, then click and drag to rotate the crop box until your image lines up straight. Once you're happy with your selection, all you have to do is hit the Enter key on your keyboard or click the checkmark icon in the options bar, and Photoshop will apply the crop instantly. Everything outside your selection will be permanently removed from the canvas. And if you ever make a mistake, don't worry. Just press Ctrl-Z on Windows or Command-Z on Mac to undo the crop and try again. One more pro tip before we wrap up. If you're working with a layered file and want to keep the option to undo your crop later without losing any pixels, go to Image at the top menu, then Canvas Size instead of using the crop tool directly. This way you can adjust your canvas without permanently deleting any image data. And that's really all there is to it. Cropping in Photoshop is quick, simple, and incredibly powerful once you know where to look. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.